So every time the cron job runs, it will index up to 100 pieces of content. This is set to a limit because the indexing process can be resource intensive, and you don't necessarily want it to cause your site to lag. If some content has changed, you can click the re-index site here and then run cron. Let's give that a shot. I'll click re-index site. So it says that searching will continue to work, so it keeps the old index, but new content won't be indexed until all existing content has been re-indexed. Okay, let's click re-index site. Now it says 0% of the site has been indexed and there's 23 items to index. And if we want to get these indexed right away, we can go to cron maintenance task and click run cron. All right, let's go back and refresh the page. And now it says that 100% of the site has been indexed. All right, I'm going to scroll down here. We have a couple options here. The minimum keyword length to index is set to 3. This prevents common words like a and an and of from being part of the index. Under logging, we can log searches, which can be useful if we're trying to figure out what people are searching for. And then down here we have search pages. Search pages allow you to create custom configurations for your search. The search we were looking at was the content page, search/node. And we can take a look at the settings here. So we can set the label, the path, and the content ranking. The content ranking will help you determine what shows up at the top of the search results. If you want actively discussed pieces of content to show up at the top, then you might want to increase the influence of the number of comments. If you want to show just promoted content, you can do that here, or newest content. But one thing we can't do, which is part of our requirements, is limit what content types show up in the search results. So we'll need to find another way.